The math department wants to order pizzas for a department meeting. It costs $18 per pizza, plus a $10 delivery fee and a $5 tip. If the department has a budget of $141, how many pizzas can they order? In this problem, they're asking us to find how many pizzas they can order, so we're going to let that be x. Let the number of pizzas they can order be x. And that's the only thing they're asking us to find, so that's going to be our only let statement. Now, we have 4 other numbers in this problem, and we somehow have to combine all of them into an equation that models the situation. Now, all of these numbers involve money that the math department is paying for this pizza, and we know that the total budget is $141. So if we add together everything they pay, we want the total to be $141. Now let's think about what they have to pay. We can see that it costs $18 per pizza. This is another one of those per problems. If it's $18 per pizza and there are X pizzas, to figure out how much that costs, we have to multiply the price of a pizza times the number of pizzas. So 18 times X gives us 18X. So that 18X represents the amount they pay for the 18 pizzas. But then there's more they have to pay. There's also a $10 delivery fee. So on top of that, they have to pay $10. And then there's also a $5 tip, which isn't very much on such a large order, but it is what it is. So at the end, we have to add 5 more for the tip. So the amount that they pay for the pizzas will be 18x for the pizzas, plus 10 for the delivery, plus 5 for the tip. And we know that that sum has to equal 141 because that's the math department's budget. So now we have an equation and we can solve this to figure out the value of x. We're going to start by combining like terms on the left. 10 plus 5 is 15. So we end up with 18x plus 15. Or 15 plus 18x. The order doesn't matter. So we've got 18x plus 15 equals 141. Now we need to get x alone. We're going to subtract 15 from both sides to get rid of that constant term. When we do that, the 15s cancel on the left, and we're left with 18x on the left. On the right, 141 minus 15 ends up being 126. So we've got 18x equals 126. And when we divide both sides by 18, we end up getting x equals 7. So we go back up to the let statement. It said let the number of pizzas they can order be x, but we know that is 7. So now we answer their question. If the department has a budget of $141, how many pizzas can they order? Well, we know they can order 7 pizzas. And that is our final answer.